Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Mason the Mason with White & Sons Construction, and today we're pouring a porch right there and a garage. It's just me and the old man today. So just check out what we got going on here. If you want to see how we set this up or what we were doing hanging out on the job here the other day, please go check up the prep video for this. If you want to see the basement pour we did, which was pretty interesting, we cut a hole through our porch here and had to pour the concrete through a hole in the floor. So that's another interesting thing if you want to check out that video. Our porch is ready. We got a prop right there, all ready to go. Got all our forms Tapcon and screwed to the wall here. Chalk lines are up, about ready to pour. Drains in, taped, ready to go for the garage. Plastic, chalk line snapped all around. Alright, so I got a little tip for you. If you're pouring on concrete floor and there's a ledge like this or anything above your floor, make sure you sweep that off. It makes it hell to finish if there's wind or something and all this stuff gets thrown on the top of your concrete, so make sure it's clean before you start. Alright, the ledge is swept off. We got a little staircase there I'm gonna have to remove, but I'm not gonna do that till the concrete truck's here. But this is all ready to pour. Now I get to go wait in the truck. Good times, good times. Truck's here. Got 2 rakes, a screed, and my Derby. That's all I need to pour some concrete. You can see I'm really cold, but I'm about to get really hot and sweaty. I love the winter time. Alrighty, we're about to get started. Truck's all ready to go. Yeah, all done pouring now. Edge is on, bowl floated. Just gotta wait for this to set up. We can put our broom finish on the porch here. And the garage is just about ready to start our hand finishing process with our mags. About 10 minutes of chilling out in the truck. The garage is all ready to mag off for the first pass around. We're gonna get started with that. Magged it down. All done with that part. Just gotta wait to finish blade it. About ready to do the porch. Dad's gonna put in a double groove dummy joint, whatever you want to call those things. Video guy.
We have a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
That was a little low as possible, so I'm sorry. Okay.
About time to start finishing. I'm gonna start with the porch here. I'm gonna put a swirl finish on there. Our porch is all done. It's time to go finish that garage. Looking real fine. Got the edges looking good and this double groove looking all good. Over to the garage. Alright, we're all done finishing this garage floor. We'll be back tomorrow to saw cut it. We're just cleaning up right now. Looks pretty good. Thanks for watching this video. We had a great day at pouring concrete. You know, just the two of us, the human power trowlers. Anyway, if you want to see more content like this, my channel has lots more videos about concrete. And if you like block work or stuff like that, I got tons of videos about that too. So if you could check that out, it'd be greatly appreciated. If you're interested in what we're working on and want to see like our future projects, we got a lot of cool stuff going on. So please subscribe and watch all that new stuff coming out.